Using a 19mm socket, we'll go ahead and remove the lug nuts. Once these are all off, we'll take the wheel off. Using a 24mm wrench, loosen this nut. Using a 21mm socket, remove this nut. Next, you want to go ahead and remove the tie rod end from the knuckle. If it's stuck in there, use a hammer, strike it a couple times, and this should be loose. Unthread the tie rod end, counting how many threads it takes to come off. 2, 3, 4. 29 revolutions till it came off completely. Thread the nut off the inner tie rod. Using a pair of pliers, you want to go ahead and remove the clamp holding the outer boot. So in the inboard section of this boot, there's normally another band here. Our particular vehicle has a zip tie in its place. So we're just going to use a pair of cutters, cut that zip tie. Remove the tie or your clamp. Go ahead and grab the boot, working it outward away from the rack. Let's go and install the boot. And work the inner boot back onto the rack. Now we're going to hold the boot and we're going to use a pick and just kind of run around the inside of the ridge here and around and rotate this as it comes around to try and get this back onto the rack. And just keep on repeating this process until you can get that to slide on. I'm going to go ahead and use a zip tie. I'm going to make the loop and work its way down the boot. Get it into position on the end of the boot. Go ahead and grab that zip tie with some pliers maybe and make sure that's nice and tight. And then we're just going to cut off the excess. I'm going to go ahead and install our clamp here. And grab your go ahead and thread this nut on. Take the outer tie rod and we're going to start threading this on. We're going to go ahead and install this. The same amount of thread that it took to come off, we're going to thread it back on. For our particular one, it was 29. And then we're going to bring that jam nut down. Let's go ahead and tighten that nut down. I'm going to go ahead and torque this to 80 foot-pounds. Now we're going to tighten the jam nut. If you have the ability to do so, you want to torque this to 55 foot-pounds. We're just going to snug that up. And the last thing you want to do, grab a pair of pliers and just level off this tie rod end. Let's go ahead and get the wheel set up on there. I'm going to go ahead and get all the lug nuts started by hand. Let's go ahead and snug these down. With the vehicle on the ground, we're going to go ahead and torque the lug nuts to 95 foot-pounds.